everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here the brand new Lattissima One coffee machine by Nespresso. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and what I think about it. So let's not waste any time and unpackage it. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Now let's go to the bottom line. Overall, the Lattissima One is an excellent machine if you plan to prepare with it coffee drinks that requires milk. It looks stylish and compact if you're considering that it has a built-in milk frother, the RCS, and considering the capacity of its water tank and the capsules container. Personally, I find the RCS much more demanding compared to a normal milk frother when it comes to cleaning, and though I believe it froths milk well, if you like dense milk foam, I believe you'll be better with a separate milk frother. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about the Nespresso Lattissima One coffee machine. For further information about this item, please check the description to the video. And if you still have any questions about it, please comment on this video and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to like this video. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channels and follow my profile pages. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!